One of the Cybertruck owner complained that windshield cracked on his truck because of heat or stress and developed the SpiderWeb cracks. The owner lives in Florida and it was 95 degrees but internal temperature hit 110 degrees. It was parked on the driveway with no trees or anything that would fall on it. There are no signs of any damage to the windshield. Owner confirmed literally the truck wasn't moving in his driveway, had it for less than 2 weeks with under 300 miles on it. Owner confirmed that inside he did feel some of the lines when running the fingers and also noticed there were some glass shards on the dashboard. The windshield is 2 panes bonded with a transparent plastic layer in between. The crack on the inside pane of glass means it was not from a rock chip or impact. A new windshield will cost $2,600. Since the damage started from the inside, this should mean it is fully covered under warranty.